Hello, friends. Welcome to Tinks Invest. We're talking about investing, finance, and professional development. So I've been getting these questions a lot lately, as with respect to my Patreon account. So it seems like there's a lot of questions with respect to how does it work exactly? Can you do a demo for us? So I realized I've never really done a demo despite the release in New Year's. So I decided to take this time today. It's a relatively chill day today, just to explain and go through what you will be receiving as a member on this Patreon, and also give you some illustration demos, if you may, on the specific deliverables you will be getting on a twice a day basis going forward, right? So I'm gonna go shrink my face real quick. Let me just do this real quick so you guys can see clearly what I'm talking about. So with respect to the Patreon account, it has 3 tiers, right? The Centurion is already sold out. So firstly, just want to say thank you so much for the 10 selective members. I've enjoyed my conversation with you guys so far, and I look forward to further cultivating the partnership. It seems like the people that are part of this group are truly intelligent individuals, and I really am honored to have your partnership and obviously your also just your friendship as a whole as well. And also just want to say thank you to the platinum members and also the gold members as well. You guys are truly diligent investors, consulting and asking questions on a daily basis. I can definitely see a progression on us collectively learning together on a daily basis with such a macro volatility that we've been enduring so far, right? Just on a high level synopsis, obviously the Centurion sold out, so unfortunately I cannot no longer take on more members because it's just a workload threshold that I have. I do have a full time job running $100 million fund, investing into venture capital, while at the same time running a YouTube business, while at the same time I am on the board of several different companies. So I'm also serving as an advisor for various different portfolio companies as well. So with respect to the demonstration that I'll be showing you guys with respect to the gold and platinum, we'll be bifurcating the following, right? So with respect to the gold member, it will be basically like $1 per day on a monthly basis, and it will include all the crypto on-demand risk management dollar cost average levels that I distribute twice a day, once in the morning before the market opens, once in the afternoon after the market closes, right? And also you will get the buy, sell, and hold signals on the respective, obviously, cryptos that I'll be doing on analysis perspective by triangulating both the fundamental analysis but also the technical analysis that I also incorporate into, identifying is that a good opportunity, is it an optimal one for us to take that, good risk management level to buy, sell, or hold respective coins, right? And respect to the platinum, which is basically like $1.50 per day, if you think about it that way, and you will have the opportunity to see comprehensively my portfolio, right? What I'm buying on or selling on a daily basis, and at the same time, you see both crypto and stocks, right? You get to identify into what's my risk management level for these respective crypto, which are 40 plus, and with respect to stock, would be like about approximately 35 exact, right? And I'll also be going through the buy, sell, and hold signals, right? Obviously, the Centurion member is sold out already, so the members that are part of this program, I've been already interacting with you guys. So hopefully, you guys are enjoying the platform and making relatively good returns so far. And on the demo front, so this is basically what you will be getting on a twice a day basis. And you'll see that there's like a selective 40 plus crypto assets here. And what I do on a twice a day basis, in the morning, first thing in the morning, I will go through each of the coins, reflecting the latest price level. I will identify, based on my risk management perspective, is it level to buy, sell, or hold? But right now it's all hold because it's only for demonstration purposes. Obviously, this is a demo label here, right? And obviously, I'll identify the risk management level, fair, attractive, or steal, right? Again, the fair level is basically when you incur 5 to 10% of your cash reserve, which is 30% of your total cash, right? Attractive is when you hit down to, approximately 10 to 15% of your cash reserve to your dollar cost at around this level. And steal is when you unload that piggy bank, that 25 to 30% of your cash reserve, right? You can see clearly I update this on a twice a day basis, and I have a timestamp every single time. So it's very, very live, up to date, very dynamic at the same time. And I also take specific requests for the coins that you guys are, requesting, right? I started this list with only like 25 crypto, and I've added to now 40, and I do this on a daily basis too, and it's on a ascending order, as you can see. And with respect to the coins, right now it's basically a list of 42 to be exact, but it will keep growing as you demand or subtract or add more or revise, or some of the ones that you find to be not useful. I'm happy to obviously take special requests, right? And this list will be a living animal on a daily basis to give you a good flavor about how you control your portfolio. And I know some of my members are making good returns so far, so glad this is helpful. So moving on to the platinum members, in addition to the same list that you see for crypto, which you have buy, sell, and hold, you also get the one for equity as well, which is stocks, right? And you can see that these are the selective stocks that my members are suggesting for me. And what I do is basically I update this on a daily basis, do my technical and fundamental analysis to identify what a buy, sell, and hold signals in my perspective. And also with respect to the same methodology, right? Fair, attractive, and steal. And people are, I understand that the majority of the investors that are in this pool in Tinks Invest are predominantly in crypto. So, but some of them are actually seasoned equity investors or stock investors as well, and they've been finding this to be very helpful. And you can see that I've been adding on to the list. I started this list with like 15 stocks, right? The amount now has grown to about 32 to be exact. And as you can see, it's kind of a mixed bag, because some people are requesting like dividend stocks, some people are requesting more like specific overseas stocks as well. So I take this on the special request perspective as well, and I do this twice a day as well, once in the morning, once in the aftermarket hours. And also for the Platinum and Centurion members, you also see my list of portfolio, my crypto and my stock portfolio. Obviously, I'm not showing anything right now because it's relatively confidential information. It's only for my patrons only. So let me know if you have any questions, and I basically show you what I'm buying or selling on that specific day on both crypto and equity, so you know how I'm actually taking the actions on a daily basis, right? So hopefully this is helpful as a quick demo. It's not meant to, be super dense or super elongated, if you may. But let me know if you have any specific questions, and I'm always welcome feedback, and I'll always take feedbacks from my patrons onto what additions would you like me to add, what subtractions would you like me to take out, what revisions would you like me to do, like in terms of a format perspective, right, to best help you on triangulating the murky waters that we have on a daily basis. So I appreciate you. Let me know how it goes, and take care.